Good morning, students. In last class, we solved some questions from exercise 3.3, right? So that means up to question number 6 we solved. Question number 6 we solved. Now, I am going to solve question number 7. I am going to solve question number 7. So compulsory you should have to remember the formulas. Okay. So each and every formula you should have to remember. Then only you can solve these trigonometric questions. Or else it's very difficult to solve yourself. Okay. Now I am going to solve question number 7. What is given here? Question number 7. Question number 7. Prove that tan of pi by 4 plus x by tan of pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. What is asking to prove here? He is asking to prove that tan of pi by 4 plus x by tan of pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square is asking. Okay, yes. To prove this one here, first what we have to take LHS. Take LHS. What is LHS is given here? Let LHS. What is LHS? Tan pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x. Okay? So just observe here, in which form it is? Tan of a plus b or not? Tan of a plus b. So what is the formula of tan of a plus b? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Here denominator tan of a minus b. Tan of a minus b. Tan of a minus b is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. We have to use those two formulas and you should have to simplify. Then you will get this. Okay. So just I am going to write here. What is the formula of tan of a plus b? Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay. Next, tan of a minus b. Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Okay. So these two formulas we have to use. By using these two formulas, we have to simplify this one. Okay. Use this one tan. It is a. This value a. It is value b. Here also it is a. It is b. Okay. So yes. So tan of a plus b. A means here pi by 4. B means here x. Then what is it? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b by denominator. What is denominator? Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Okay. So tan a plus b. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan a minus b. Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Clear? Yes. Now, just see here. Tan pi by 4 value. Substitute that value. Tan pi by 4 value. Tan pi by 4 means tan 45. Tan 45 value 1. Tan 45 value 1. So 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan pi by 4 value 1. 1 into tan x only. Tan x by in denominator also. Tan pi by 4 value 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 value 1. 1 into tan x tan x. It is numerator, it is denominator. If you want to change write like this also, it will be easy to identify that numerator and denominator. Okay? Yes. So it is numerator, it is denominator. Then what will be this? The denominator will be, if you change that will be what will be? If you write here, it will be reversed or not. Then what will be this? That is equal to, here see, this one same like this, 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x into, this fraction will be reversed or not? The denominator fraction will be reversed. Then what will be this? 1 plus, reverse this one, what will be 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. Here multiply numerator you have to multiply, denominator you have to multiply. Then what will be is numerator means 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x whole square, right, by 1 minus tan x into 1 minus tan x. That means 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x into 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. So then total what will be is 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. That is RHS. We got RHS or not? Yes. So that means to prove this one compulsory, we should have to know the formula of tan of a plus b, tan of a minus b. Then only you can apply the formula, then you can solve it. Okay. So like this manner you have to solve this type of question. Come to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8. What is question number 8 is given here? This is also same like this. What is given? Cos of pi plus x, cos of minus x by sin of pi minus x into cos of pi by 2 plus x is equal to cot square x is equal to cot square x. Okay, just listen. Cos of pi plus x, cos of minus x. What we have to do now here? This left side value. Prove that cos of pi plus x, cos of minus x by sin of pi minus x, cos of pi by 2 plus x is equal to what we have to prove? Cot square x. What we have to prove? Cot square x. Same again, to prove this one, take LHS. What is LHS here? This one LHS. Okay? Yes. Take this one. Let LHS. Just observe here. Cos, what it is? Pi means 180. 180 plus x or 180 plus theta. Cos 180 plus theta. Which form it is? In which quadrant? Let me first observe this one. 180 plus theta. 180 plus x. In which quadrant it lies? In which quadrant it lies? 180 plus theta means third quadrant. 180 plus theta means third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos is positive or negative? All silver T. Third quadrant tan, cot positive. Rest of the trigonometric ratios are negative. So cos is negative here, minus. It is 180. So cos, the trigonometric ratio cos does not change. So cos has a cos only. Cos theta. Theta means x. So minus cos x. Okay. And next, cos of minus theta. We know already the formula. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. So this value here x is there, minus x. Cos of minus x is equal to cos x into cos x by here sin of 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta means which quadrant it lies? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin is positive. In second quadrant, sin is positive. So positive value will get. Next it is 180. So sin does not change. Sin as sin only. So sin. Theta means here x. Right? Yes. Next cos 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta means which quadrant it is? Second quadrant. 90 plus theta. Okay? Yes. In the second quadrant, cos is negative or not? In second quadrant, what is positive? Sin, reciprocal, cosecant positive. Rest of the trigonometric ratios are negative. So cos is negative. So here what is minus into minus. It is 90. So cos can be changed as sin. Sin x. Understand? Yes. Or also keep in bracket. Huh? Yes. Next what will be minus cos x into cos x, cos square x by sin x. Minus is there, just right outside that minus. Sin x into sin x, sin square x. Then minus to minus getting cancelled. Then what will be cos square x by sin square x. That means cos by sin. Cos by sin means cot. Whole square also is there means cot square. That is equal to cot square x. Cot square x. This is only how to prove. Yes? Yes. So that is value, that is the right side value. So nothing I done here. Here pi plus x, 180 plus theta, which coordinate is it? Here 180 minus theta, which coordinate is it? 90 plus theta, in which coordinate is it? You have to simplify them and multiply them. You got cot square x. Okay? Yes. Come to the next question. Next question, it is question number 9. Question number 9. What is given question number 9? We will also prove that cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x, cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos of 2 pi plus x into cot of 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot of 2 pi plus x, 2 pi plus x is equal to 1. This value, what we have to prove? Equal to 1. What is given here? Cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos of 2 pi plus x into cot, this is cot, okay? Cot of 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot of 2 pi plus x is equal to 1 we have to. Equal to 1 we have to. So to prove this one, first take LHS. Take LHS. Okay, it is LHS. Let LHS. It is LHS. Okay. Then what will be simplified? 3 pi by 2 means 270. It is 270. Okay, 2 pi means it is 360. 3 pi by 2 means it is 270. Okay, 2 pi means it is 360. You know that one. Okay, yes. Just observe here, cos 270 plus x. X means theta. Okay, so cos 270 plus x or 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta. Which quadrant it lies? Which quadrant it lies? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant not. 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta. Which quadrant lies? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. All silver tea cups. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So this value will get positive. Okay, it is 270. So cos can be changed. Change as sin. Sin x. Clear? So first observation, in which quadrant it lies? 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta. Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Plus it is 270. So cos can be changed as sin. So sin theta means x. Okay, what about this one? 2 pi 360. 360 plus x. I mean 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta means the first quadrant. In first quadrant, cos is positive. Okay, it is 360. So cos as cos of cos x into cot. Cot 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta means 270 minus x. X means theta. Okay, 270 minus theta. In which quadrant it is? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, cot is all silver t. T and tan reciprocal cot. Both are positive. So in third quadrant, 270 minus x means which quadrant lies? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, cot is positive. Yes, positive. It is 270. So cot can be changed as tan x. Cot can be changed as tan x. Next, plus cot 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta means first quadrant. 360 plus x, first quadrant. In first quadrant, cot is positive. Okay, it is 360. So cot does not change. Cot has cot only. So cot theta. Theta means x. Okay? Yes. Next. Here, sin x into cos x and like this only. Tan x. Tan x means what is the rate? Sin x by cos x. Tan x formula. Sin x by cos x. Plus cot x formula. Cos x by sin x. Okay. After simplification is 1. In the place of tan x, I am writing sin x by cos x. In the place of cot x, I am writing cos x by sin x. Okay. Next. Sin x into cos x. Okay. Then here what will be LCM? Cos x is there, sin x is there. What is the LCM here? Sin x into cos x only. right? Yes, cos x is cos x cancel how many times? Sin x times. So sin x into sin x, sin square x, sin x cancel, cos x times cancel, cos x into cos x, cos square x. Okay? Yes. Next see, this sin x cos x cancel, and here sin square x plus cos square x value 1 identity. That is equal to first time writing as 1 sin square x plus cos square x. So this value equal to 1. So this value what we have to prove? 1 or not? What we get this value? 1. Understand? So like this manner we have to solve. Very simple question. First you should have to understand the question what is given, what he is asking. That means what he is asking to prove. Okay. So by this one you have to solve. Next question. Next question. I will solve here only. Question number 10. What is question number 10 is given here? Sin of n plus 1 into x into sin of n plus 2 into x plus cos of n plus 1 into x into cos of n plus 2 into x is equal to cos x. Prove that. What he is asking to prove that? Sin of n plus 1 into x into sin of n plus 2 into x. Okay. Cos of n plus 1 into x into cos of n plus 2 into x is equal to what is asking to prove that? Cos x. Prove that this value is equal to cos x. Okay. So to prove this one, take same like this. Take LHS. Take LHS. Okay. Let LHS. It is LHS. Clear? Yes. Sin of n plus 1 into x into sin of n plus 2 into x plus cos of n plus 1 into x into cos of n plus 2 into x. Just observe here. In which form it is? This one I am taking as a. This one I am taking as b. Okay. This is n plus 1 x. Here also same. A only. It is also n plus 2 into x. B only. Just observe here what it is. Sin a, sin b plus cos a, cos b. Sin a, sin b plus cos a, cos b. What is the formula? Or else you have to write like this. Cos a, cos b plus sin a, sin b. Cos a, cos b plus sin a, sin b. What is the formula? Cos of a minus b. What is the formula of cos of a minus b? Since cos of a minus b is equal to cos a, cos b minus plus sin a, sin b. Yes sir. Cos a, cos b plus sin a, sin b equal to cos of a minus b. Here see. Cos a, cos b plus sin a, sin b. Cos a, cos b plus sin a, sin b. What about this formula? Cos of a minus b. Okay. So that is equal to, this is what we write. Cos of a minus b. A means here n plus 1 into x, right? N plus 1 into x. A minus b. B means here n plus 2 into x. N plus 2 into x. Clear? Yes. Next, cos of multiply by x. Okay, nx plus x minus nx plus or minus minus 2x. Here plus nx minus nx getting cancelled. X minus 2x. X minus 2x means minus x. That is equal to cos of x minus 2x. X minus 2x. Then what will be? X minus 2x. X minus 2x minus x. Cos of minus x. So we know the formula. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Right? So cos of minus x is equal to cos x. Cos of minus x equal to cos x. That is equal to RHS. Hence proof. Hence proof. Understand? So like this manner you have to understand. So you should have to observe in which formula the question is given. Okay, if any formulas are there, you have to apply that formula and you have to simplify, then you will get whatever we have to prove. Clear? Next question. Next question. This question we already solved. Like this question we solved already. Okay, question number 11. What is asking to prove? Prove that cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 sin x is equal to minus root 2 sin x. What he is asking? What he is asking? Cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 sin x. He is asking to prove minus root 2 sin x. Yesterday we solved this question on example question. Same like this only. So, but we should have to observe that one in which formula it is given. In which formula it is given. Okay. So just observe clearly in which formula it is given. In which formula it is given. So to saying about that one, first take LHS here. Let LHS. Okay. Let LHS is equal. Just observing clearly, I am going to write the formula. Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. What is the formula? Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. I have given this formula yesterday. Okay, what is the formula of this one? Minus 2 sin A sin B. Cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. Cos of A plus B minus cos of A plus B. What is the formula? Minus 2 sin A sin B. Minus 2 sin A sin B. Then what is the formula? Cos of A plus B. Cos of A minus B. A means 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. Right? B means x. Okay. So cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B means what is the formula? Minus 2 sin A sin B. So minus 2 sin A means 3 pi by 4. Sin A sin B. B means x. Clear? Okay. Yes. Minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 sin x. Next we have to simplify this. How can we find this value? Minus 2 sin. This 3 pi by 4 value we have to find. 3 pi by 4 value we have to find. How can you find this 3 pi by 4? To find this 3 pi by 4, what I am writing here? Pi minus pi by 4 is writing into sin x. Can write like this? Pi minus pi by 4. So take LCM here. 4 pi. 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi. 3 pi by 4. Okay? Yes. And next, minus 2 sin 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. Which quadrant lies? 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta means second quadrant. In second quadrant, sign is positive. Okay, plus is outside, minus is there. Minus. Okay, it is 180. So sign does not change. So sign as sign. Sin theta. Theta means here pi by 4 into sin x. Okay, yes. Minus 2 into sin pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45. Sin 45 value 1 by root 2 into sin x. So this root 2 into how many times cancel? Root 2 times will be cancelled. Then what is it? Minus root 2 into sin x. Minus root 2 into sin x. This is only how to do. Right? That is only yes. So that cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x value, what we got? Minus root 2 sin x. Minus root 2 sin x. Okay, it is the proof of this question. Next, question number 12. Question number 12. Just to see. What is asking? Question number 12. Prove that sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. What he is asking to prove? Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. Sin 2x into sin 10x. We have to prove this value. Okay? Yes. To prove this value, first take LHS value. Procedure is same. We will take LHS, we will prove RHS. Okay? Remember that right side value. First we take LHS. Let LHS. Let LHS. That is it. Just observe here in which form it is. Suppose sin 6x square is same a square minus b square. A square minus b square. A square minus b square means what is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Clear? Yes. A square minus b square. A plus b. A means sin 6x. Sin 6x minus b square. B means here sin 4x. Now apply here a plus b. A means sin 6x. A plus b. B means sin 4x. Okay. Into A means sin 6x minus sin 4x. Clear? So a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. Clear? Yes. Next, just observe here. In which form it is? Sin c plus sin d formula. Sin c plus sin d. Sin c minus sin d formula. So this one we convert into two formulas. Actually it is a square minus b square form. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Right? So after converting into the formula, these two are becoming in two formulas. What are they? Sin c plus sin d. It is c, it is d. Sin c minus sin d. Sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d. What is the formula of sin c plus sin d? What is the formula of sin c plus sin d? Just I am writing here c. Sin c plus sin d. What is the formula? 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay, next. Sin c minus sin d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d. These are the formulas. Sin c plus sin d. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus d by 2. Okay. Sin c minus sin d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Sin c minus d. Okay? Yes. Now apply this formula. Sin c plus sin d. What is the formula? 2 sin c plus d by 2. C means 6x plus d means 4x by 2 into just wait a minute. Wait a minute, I will write it for the numbers. Okay? Maybe there is 2.4 terms we get. What about this one? 2 sin c plus d. C plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. First one into second one. Sin c minus sin d. 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. C minus d by 2. Right? Yes. Now simple reason. These are product only. All terms are in product form only. Right? So 2 into 2. 4. That 4 we will discuss later. Just write like this only. 2 into sin 6x plus 4x 10x. 10 by 2 5x. Sin 5x. Clear? Next here. Cos 6 minus 4 2x. 2x by 2 x. Okay? Yes. Into these two are keep in one bracket. Okay? These two are in one bracket. These two are in one bracket. Next, 2 into cos 6 plus 4, 10. 10x by 2, 5x. This one, sin 6 minus 4, 2x. 2x by 2, 2x by 2 is x. Denominator 2 is there, no? Cancel x. Okay? Yes. Just observe here, these are all product only. All are product only. So, but to our convenience, I am writing like this. 2 sin x is sin 5x is there, no? This sin 5x, cos 5x, I am keeping it one place. So sin 5x into cos 5x. Okay. Next, into 2 into this is cos x, sin x, I am keeping it one place. Sin x. It is a cos x. Why we wrote like this? Because it will be converting into one formula. 2 sin a cos a. Here a means 5x, 5x. Same angles. Terms I wrote at one place only. Here 5x is there. So sin 5x, cos 5x. I kept at one place. Okay. Next cos x, sin x. Here angle only x only x. Right? Here 5x, 5x. These two angles are same angles. So these two terms I kept at one place. And here x angle, x angle. These two angles are same only. So these two terms I kept at one place. This 2 is there here, this 2 is there here. So after writing like this way, it will be changing 2 sin a cos a formula. What is the formula of 2 sin a cos a? Sin 2a. 2 sin a cos a. What is the formula of sin 2a formula? Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. So 2 sin a formula 2 sin a cos a. The substitute 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. What is the formula? Sin 2a. Sin 2 into a means here 5x. Understand? Here also 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. A means it x. Okay? Yes. So here also same. What is the formula? 2 sin a cos a means sin 2a. A means here x. Okay? Just simplify this one. Sin 2 into 5x. Sin 10x. Sin 2x. So what we ask here? Sin 2x into sin 10x. This is only we ask. Right? Sin 2x into sin 10x. This is only we ask to prove. Right side. What is given the right side value? Prove that sin 2x into sin 10x. Sin 2x into sin 10x. Understand? So same like this, one more question is there. That one you have to solve yourself. Question number 13. 1-3. Question number 13. Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is given. That one solve yourself. Okay? That one solve yourself. Try to solve yourself or else I will explain later. Okay? Next. Come to question number 14. Question number 14. 1-4. Question number 14. What is given 14? Prove that sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x into sin 4x. 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Sin 2x 2 sin 4x sin 6x. So what is given here? What is given here? Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x into sin 4x plus 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Okay? Yes. To prove this one here, I am taking LHS. Let LHS. Okay? Yes. It is LHS. LHS equal to this one. To prove the right side value compulsory, we have to simplify this one. Simplification means we have to use some trigonometric formulas. So to use the formula, first you should have to convert into in which form it is. You should have to observe that in which form it is. In which formula it is. Just to see what is the sin 2x, 2 sin 4x, sin 6x. For our convenience, now what I am writing here? Can you write like this? This is is sin 6x I am writing here. Sin 6x plus sin 2x. These two terms I am giving in one place. Sin 6x plus sin 2x plus remaining term what is the term? 2 sin 4x. 2 sin 4x. This one keep like this only. Why you kept like this here? Why you are taking sin 6x and sin 3x in one bracket? Why? Because if you write like this way, it will be converting into a formula. Just observe here. In which form it converted? Sin c plus sin d. Is it converted into the formula of sin c plus sin d or not? Yes. What is the formula of sin c plus sin d? Sin c plus sin d. What is the formula? 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Can you apply the formula here or not? Yes. Sin c plus sin d. Okay. Yes. So to converting into this formula, these two terms I kept in one bracket. Okay. Then after keeping these two terms in one bracket, it will be becoming as in a formula of sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d. Okay. Yes. Plus the remaining term keep like that only. 2 sin 4x. 2 sin 4x. So what will be this sin c plus sin d? Use the formula. What is the formula of sin c plus sin d? 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So apply the formula. 2 sin c plus d by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. C minus d by 2. Okay. Plus also what is there? 2 sin 4x. 2 sin 4x. Okay. Yes. Next, just observe here. 2 sin 6 plus 2 8x. 8 by 2 4x. Sin 4x. Cos 6x minus 2x 4x. 4 by 2 2x. Plus 2 sin 4x. Okay. Just observe here. Here 2 sin 4x is there. Here also 2 sin 4x is there. Can you take into common 2 sin 4x? Yes. So I am taking common 2 sin 4x from these two terms. Take into common 2 sin 4x. 2 sin 4x I am taking common here. What will be left? Cos 2x plus 1. Cos 2x plus 1. Okay. Yes. So here cos 2x. We have a formula. What is the formula of cos 2x? In terms of cos. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. What is the formula of cos 2x? 2 cos square x minus 1. So substitute here. 2 sin 4x into cos 2x formula. 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 1. Or else this cos 2x plus 1 also we can write directly. Here see minus 1 transfer this side. That means 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos 2x. That means 1 plus cos 2x means what we can write? 2 cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x means what we can write? From this formula only I will do. Okay. See. Cos 2x value 2 cos 2x minus 1. This minus 1 transfer this side. 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x. So 1 plus cos 2x formula 2 cos 2x. So 1 plus cos 2x formula 2 cos 2x. 2 cos 2x. Understand? Yes. So next what will be? What we have to do actually here? What we have to do? Yes. So 1 by 2 into 2 here 4 cos square x into sin 4x. This is only how 2 into 2 4 4 into cos square x into sin 4x. 4 into cos square x into sin 4x. That is equal to RHS. And 4. Understand? Like this manner we have to solve this type of questions. So same. Okay. It is about question number 14. Okay. Like this question number 15, 16, those also are there. So those will be explained tomorrow class. Okay. Those also I will explain next class. Okay. Thank you.